Let's talk about chocolate. Dito sa video na to, explain ko sa inyo why understanding chocolate is important, especially sa ating mga bakers at mahilig kumain ng chocolate cake or even chocolate alone. Kung gagamit ka ng chocolate, less chocolate is more. So kung magiging advocate ako, gusto ko maging advocate of using real chocolate, yung couverture chocolate with at least 55 to 60% cacao or yung dark couverture chocolate. Alam nyo ba na yung 100 grams of couverture chocolate with 60% dark cacao has 4 times more cocoa. So ibig sabihin, kailangan mo lang ng 25 grams of couverture chocolate, equivalent na yon or mas marami pa yung cocoa content compared sa 100 grams. Most of the chocolate compound has 8 to 15% only of cocoa. And mas konti ng 50% less yung sugar ng couverture compare sa compound. Yung couverture usually 40% yung sugar while yung compound chocolate has 60%. And kung mapapansin nyo, mas full-bodied yung pagka-chocolate ng couverture. It's because of the fat content. 38% to 40% ng mga couverture chocolate yung fat niya. Again, 38 to 40% ang fat content ng couverture chocolate, which is from cacao butter. Samantalang yung compound chocolate, nasa 35 to 40% yung fat nito, which is from hydrogenated vegetable oil like palm kernel oil. So even yung fat content ng couverture has chocolate flavor. By the way, 50% ng lasa ng chocolate is from cocoa itself and another 50% is from cocoa butter. Kaya yung mga white chocolate, ang ginagamit doon is cocoa butter para maglasang chocolate. In terms of price, almost times 2 yung price ni couverture compared to compound. Pero in terms of full flavor ng chocolate, mas marami pa ring chocolate flavor si couverture kahit gumamit ka ng times 4 na quantity ni compound because of the fat content which is from the cocoa butter and cocoa solid. So marami ding health benefits yung dark chocolate, especially yung 70 to 85% cacao or cocoa mass. So first, very nutritious si dark chocolate. I'm talking about 70 to 85% cocoa. Marami siyang fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and selenium. Meron din siyang fatty acid na good for the heart, which is also makikita natin sa olive oil. And meron siyang stearic acid na merong epekto sa cholesterol. Ito yung nagpapababa or nagpapaneutral ng cholesterol level natin sa katawan. Sobrang powerful source siya ng antioxidant. Sa isang study, napag-alaman nila na mas maraming antioxidant, polyphenols and flavanols yung cacao than blueberries and acai berries or acai berries. And yung flavanols or flavanols in dark chocolate can also reduce insulin resistance, which is another common risk factor for diseases like heart disease and diabetes. In one studies, pinakita din na ang pag-consume ng flavanol-rich cocoa or chocolate can lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Also, yung pagkain ng dark chocolate may protect your skin from the sun. Yung bioactive compounds in dark chocolate may also be great for your skin. In one studies, napag-alaman na yung flavanols can protect against sun damage, improve blood flow to the skin, and increase skin density and hydration. And another health benefits niya is it could improve brain function. Dark chocolate may also improve the function of your brain. In one studies, ang pagkain ng flavanol cocoa or chocolate can improve blood flow sa inyong mga utak sa mga bata or adults. This may explain why eating cocoa daily appears to improve attention to details, verbal learning, and memory. And yung cocoa contains stimulant substances like caffeine and theobromine which may be a key reason why it can improve brain function in the short term. So the bottom line here is there is a considerable evidence that cocoa can provide powerful health benefits, being especially protective against heart diseases. Of course, this doesn't mean nakakain ka na ng kahit anong klaseng chocolate or kakain ka na ng madaming amount ng chocolate. At least, kumain ka ng 1 square small bar, around 5 grams to 10 grams per day, at least 70% or higher cocoa content. And chocolate is a remarkable food that tastes awesome also, while providing significant health benefits. So if you prefer to eat chocolate, eat at least the darker chocolate, which is 70% to 85% higher, or pag hindi available, at least 55% to 60% ng cocoa. And small amount lang ng chocolate can give you a full flavor of chocolate profile. So sana marami kayong natutunan sa video ko for today. Thank you!